Do you struggle with double strokes with your foot? It took me a long time to get control over these. Today I'm going to show you a technique for developing lightning fast double strokes. And at the end of the video, I've got a bonus for you. By the way, if you're new to Brad Allen Drums, I'm a former U.S. Army drummer. I'm also a private teacher who has helped many students master the art of drumming, including my student Zach Forsyth, who became a professional drummer and toured China with trumpeter Lee Sachwan. This is a follow-up video to the last bass drum technique video I did, and that one was about developing the heel down bass drum technique. That's a great place to start. I can play a lot of things that way. However, I find playing heel down exclusively to be very limiting, especially when you have to play louder or have to play fast double strokes. What I'm going to show you here is a technique that I learned from Greg All, a mentor of mine when I was in college. I believe that this is the same bass drum technique that Steve Gadd uses. Okay, here's a side angle. So the exercise you're going to do is just right, left, bass, bass. That's the first place to start. Now, notice what I'm doing is for the first bass drum stroke, I'm bringing my foot back. I'm on the ball of my foot. And then for the second stroke, I'm sliding my foot along the pedal and hitting the second stroke. So it's like this. Now, as you get faster, that motion is going to become more and more subtle. It'll be a smaller and smaller movement. So you get a little side motion going there with the foot, which is perfectly natural, works really well. It's really similar to working up your double stroke roll with your hands. I'm going to show you another view here from behind. So that's your basic exercise. Once you have that exercise down to a certain degree, you can start doing other things. You can practice sambas. You can practice rock beats using that. You can practice jazz independence, really pretty much anything. You want to get really, really comfortable with it. I never think about that while I'm playing, just like I never think about doing double strokes with my hands. They just automatically come out once you get control of that. It takes a lot of patience and persistence to really get this down. So don't get discouraged if it seems awkward at first. I usually tell students to practice it for a while and then maybe leave it alone and keep coming back to it. Eventually it will get comfortable for you if you keep working on it. Now, as a thank you for watching today, I have a free gift that I'd like to send you. I have a list of 10 beats that all drummers need to know and a video demonstrating all the beats to send you absolutely free. Just follow the link in the video or in the comments below. Please comment below and tell me if you usually play heel up or heel down. Or if you want to just comment helpful, that would also be really awesome. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for new drum videos every week. Thank you for watching. Check out my other video about heel down bass drum technique next. I know that will also really help you, and we'll see you next time.